Hello and welcome to this presentation. Here are the results of our skeletal animation programming assignment. We did our program in C++ and OpenGL, and we used a framework called Glitter as a basis. Glitter handles a lot of the library imports, for example, OpenGL for rendering and mathematical operations, as well as SM for model loading. We also added imgui, which has some useful tools for user controls, as you can see on the top right. Apart from that, everything has been coded from scratch. So we even implemented our own data structures in order to not rely on the SM's format for the internal functionality. The models you see are taken from Mixamo, which is a large database for mocap data, for mocap actors, which are freely available. So the core of the functionality is the rendering of the model with the light and so on. We also implemented camera control so that we can move around the scene freely and see it from all perspectives that we want. And of course, we can toggle animations. So this is what it looks like when the model is animated. What you see on the bottom right is debug information. So here you can see information from regarding the animation, about keyframes and so on, and we can compare those of SM with our own implementation to see if everything is as intended. We can see the same for meshes, where you can also see information regarding the bones and their positioning. In the animation tab, you can select one of the animations that have been uploaded via drag and drop to the interface and play them one after another. Down here you can control the animation speed and even reverse the animation if you go into the negative. What you can also do is to toggle off and on the skin to only be left with the bones, as well as toggle off the bones and only leave the skin. You're also free to drag and drop in new models and provide them with their respective animations.
Last but not least, we have a few minor errors with regard to using linear blend skinning. So here we have the mesh again, and if you open up this specific animation and you run it, then you can see that the torso is slowly becoming all messed up. And with if you would implement dual quaternion skinning, this would be a lot better. Would still not be perfect, but it wouldn't be as bad as it looks like right now. Similar fashion for the arms. If you move an arm, this one here is being moved. There we have the issue as well.